In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a direct link to a specific sheet tab. If you've ever sent someone a spreadsheet and wanted them to land on one exact tab right away, this is a simple and very useful trick. Instead of asking them to open the file and then search for the right tab themselves, you can send a link that opens the spreadsheet directly to the page you want them to see. This can save time, reduce confusion, and make your sharing much more professional. To start, open your spreadsheet and navigate to the specific tab you want to share. Make sure you are actually viewing the correct tab before you continue, because the link you copy will reflect the tab you currently have open. Once you are on that tab, click on any cell within it. This helps confirm that the tab is active and selected properly. You don't need to edit anything here. Just clicking into a cell is enough. Next, move up to your browser's address bar and click on the URL for the spreadsheet. This is where you'll grab the direct link. Take a close look at the end of the URL and make sure it includes a parameter that looks something like #GID equals a number. That number is important because it represents the exact tab you are currently on. If the URL ends with that GID parameter, you are in good shape. That means the link is pointing not just to the spreadsheet in general, but to that specific sheet tab. This is what allows someone else to open the file and be taken directly to the right place. Now simply copy that full URL from the address bar. After that, you can paste it wherever you want to share it, like in a message, document, or email. When someone clicks the link, the spreadsheet will automatically open directly to your selected tab, which makes it much easier for them to find the information you want them to see. One quick tip: this link only helps people land on the correct tab. They'll still need the proper sharing permissions to open the file. So if they can't access it, you may need to update the file sharing settings separately. And that's it. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference when you want to guide someone to the exact part of a spreadsheet that matters most.